he won Australian Young Citizen Award for the year 1990. Coming to the regular lesson, just we will read the lesson once. It will be useful to you, I think. I'm not satisfied with the without teaching that without reading. Okay. So I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know, this is completed Young Australian Citizen Award. And once I was in a car, a silly thing in a some silly incident will be there in everyone's life, no, like that in Nick's life. And once I was in a car, and a girl at a traffic light was looking at me interestingly. One girl at that place is looking at me interestingly. She could only see my head, so I decided to do a 360 degrees spin in the car seat to freak her out. So in the seat, car seat, no one can identify he is a Tarzan. So by seeing his face, that girl is seeing interestingly, okay, nice boy, like that. So he done a small trick. What is that? He done a 360 degrees spin in the car seat. For normal people it won't happen, isn't it? It would possible because the legs won't permit to do 360 degrees like a top bongran laga ila gundanga తిరగటానికి అవ్వదు. Whereas this Nick done a 360 degrees spin like this, a 360 degrees spin like this in the chair. And that girl, her face was like, ooh, what is going on? She sped off really quickly. From that place, she went away very shockingly. Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008, he went to Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had her arms bitten away by a shark when she was 12. Nick began to travel the world. He started his motivational speaker profession. He has taken motivational speaking as a profession. In that process, he started traveling in 2008. First, he went Hawaii Islands. There, he met a surfing master named Bethany Hamilton. She is also a physically challenged person, but what happened to her is she has no arms. Why? Because her arms were bitten by a shark. Her arms were bitten by a shark. There is a picture. Where is that picture? Yes. In 2008, Nick met Bethany Hamilton, and this Bethany Hamilton lives in Hawaii. She taught Nick the learned 360 degrees spin in 48 years. Within 2 days, Nick learned 360 degrees spin on the surfing uh, surfing tool. Cover of Surfer magazine. For that feat, he got the fame of having his picture on the surfing magazine. Because of low center of gravity, this Nick can do 360 degrees on the surfing tool. Coming to Bethany Hamilton. Bethany Hamilton's one arm is bitten by a shark in an accident. Coming to our lesson. He's saying something about Bethany Hamilton. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf, and I was terrified at first, but I got up there. It felt absolutely fantastic, and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quietly learned Nick quickly learned how to do the 360 degrees spin on his board, a fear that got him on the cover of the Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of the surfing, he said, but I have a very low center of gravity. So I have got pretty good balance. As he has a low center of gravity, as he has no legs, his center of gravity is very near to the tool, so that he can do a 360 degrees spin like this, like the mouse. He can do a 360 degrees spin on the tool. Because of that 360 degrees spin, he got the fame of having his face on the cover of the surfing magazine. This is because of Bethany Hamilton's effort. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker. In the beginning time, in the childhood, and in the youth, younger time, and in the youth, he is a when he was young, he is a great admirer of great fan of football. But now he became a great motivational speaker and has traveled to cover 24 countries, speaking to groups of people up to 110,000 people. This number may increase now, because this book was published in 2000, some 10 or like that, 2012 like that. So the number may increase now. So he gave uh, motivation nearly 1000 1 lakh 10,000 people. So he is one of the great motivational speakers in the world. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007 and planned to continue to travel the world in 2009. He visited South America and Middle East in 2008. Kene Miyahara, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese, attended the attended the meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. Kenne was attracted to Nick's message. From that time, they were in touch with each other to share their ideas and giving hope. So, in one of the meeting at Los Angeles in 2008 meeting, Nick met one girl named Ken. Proper nouns can be pronounced. That time they were in touch with each other. Yes, this is the girl. What is her name? Kenny. And shared their ideas on giving hope to the needy, and they became close friends. After some time, they became close friends. Finally, they fell in love, and their engagement happened in August 2011. Their engagement happened in 2011. Nick put the engagement ring on Kenne's fingers with the mouth, and then said the most lovely words every girl want to hear out from her man's mouth. Baby, I love you. Nick and Nay got married on February 12, 2012, and on February 13, 2013, they were blessed with the birth of a healthy baby with a full body. Now, their parents uh, may be afraid, maybe Nick afraid of his offsprings, of his children, how they will be, but God blessed the couple with a healthy baby. Nick and his wife wrote an inspirational book, Love Without Limits, together, and is published in 2014. How Nick loved this girl and how they got married, and with that even though she married a physically challenged person, their life was successful. With that success, they wrote both the couple, that is the couple wrote a book named inspirational book named Love Without Limits. What is the name of the book? Love Without Limits. And what are the words of Nick? Let us see. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? If I fail to do surfing, to swim or swimming or golf game, etc. If I fail, I try again and again. If you fail, he is asking the people, the readers. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? It matters what is specialty. How you started is not important. How you finished is important. That is, we should not give up any activity or any uh, action in the middle. I tell people to keep on getting up with they fall and always love themselves. One should have love and affection on themselves. Then only they can achieve something. Otherwise, they remain as it is without any uh, great things. So one should love themselves. The Nick also saying the same thing. If I can encourage just one person, then my job in the life is done. He is saying that if as a motivational speaker, if I inspire any one person in each meeting, that my life is successful, my job is done. Those are the words of the great motivational speaker, Nick Vujicic. Let us brush up, or let us conclude the lesson with the PPTs. Okay. What are the specialities? Let us see. So, attitude is altitude. Every success story is also a story of great failures. I will do it at the ABC readings of the first lesson, personality development. The theme of the lesson is personality development. For that, the pictures are three physically challenged persons proved themselves. One is Sudha Chandran, a beautiful woman who unfortunately lost her leg in an accident. Even though she lost her leg, she continued her Bharatanatyam, and she gave a lot of performances all over the world with her dedication and positive attitude. Stephen Hawkins is also a physically challenged person, uh, but became proved himself as a great scientist. And Helen Keller, even though she is a blind, deaf, and dumb lady, she achieved something in her life. What is a personality? Personality is not the outer appearance, but the feelings, but the behavior, how one person is behaving with the low cadre people, not low cadre, compared to himself, physically, mentally, and economically, uh, average people with low people. Here you can see afterwards a small exercise. Here I have written some unreliable, efficient, goal oriented, friendly, like that, some positive characters and negative characters. Just you divide them into positive and negative characters. For example, unreliable. Next, efficient, goal oriented. Goal oriented is a positive character, friendly is a positive character, like that. Cruel is a negative character. You divide it and you check it with the uh, before one. That is, this is also the personality. How the personality includes how is how you are helping in the how you are helping to your fellow members, how you are behaving in the society. One should have positive attitude. One should have if there is positive attitude, he can achieve something. With negative attitude, no one can do anything. This is also personality. What is personality? Personality includes maintenance of the body, language, etc. With all these things, one can achieve something. That is starting, analysis, try again, analysis, try again, keep in touch, next, success. That is every person should see his efforts, how far he reached. That is introspection. He has to examine himself, she has to examine herself, and analyze herself or analyze himself, and he has to overcome her or his mistakes. Then only one can get success. That is the positive personality of a human being. What about attitude and altitude? Attitude in single word, a settled way of thinking or feelings about something. What about altitude? Altitude is great height. If you have positive attitude, you can be in you can reach the higher points in your life. That is, you can lead a comfortable and great life in your life. That is, attitude is altitude. The total lesson is about Nick Vujicic. The exact pronunciation is Nick Vujicic. As a motivational speaker, he has traveled 24 countries. How many countries he traveled? Yes, 24 countries he traveled, and delivered speeches before the groups of large attendance up to 1,10,000. So he is a great motivational speaker, successful motivational speaker. Coming to Nick, what is his specialty? Nick Vujicic is a torso. Torso means no arms and no legs. That disease is called phocomyelitis. So Nick is suffering from a disease named phocophilia. In medical terms, this type of disability is called phocomyelitis. He was born in Melbourne, Australia, and lives in Los Angeles, America. Even though he was born in Australia, he shifted to Los Angeles, which was there in America. These are the highlights. Even though Nick is a torso, he achieved something. Nick is a certified surfer and graced the Surfer magazine with 48 hours of his achievement. He can spin 360 degrees on his board. Besides water sports, he also play football and golf. That is, he can play water games as well as normal games like football and golf. How he can? Yes, Nick is certified surfer too, and grabbed the Surfer magazine for 48 hours of his achievement. He can spin 360 degrees in the board. This is called skateboard. And the uh, surfer board, this is also called surfer board. On surfer board, he can do 360 degrees spin. 360 degrees spin. In the lesson, how he felt while learning the surfing, we discussed it. He was first he was very much afraid, but with the inspiration from Bethany Hamilton of Hawaii, he learned very easily. And achievements, coming to another achievement, in 1990 he won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. How he serves, let us see. That the tender age of 18 months, Nick learned to swim with the help of his father. We discussed in the lesson, at the age of 18, Nick's father thrown him into water. His father know his son's talent, so uh, he taught Nick how to swim with the small foot. Of course, he is a great motivational speaker. In this way, he gave motivation. The son of a computer programmer. Yesterday, we discussed that the parent, Nick's father is a computer programmer, and mother is a female nurse. has admitted in a general school rather than a special school. Even though Nick is a physically challenged person, his parents decided to send him to a normal school rather than a rather than a special school. In order to make the son independent, Nick's father taught his son typing with his left with the help of his toe at the age of 6. Nick uh, claims his small foot as his chicken drumstick. You can see with his small foot he can type the computer. He can use the computer, and he always says that small foot as a chicken drumstick. Nick believed in evangelical Christianity and chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. He is a great believer in Christianity and evangelical Christianity. So he married in proper way. Yeah, in yesterday's lesson, we learned that in normal school he was bullied by the classmates. He was humiliated. Bullied means humiliated, exalted, mocked, mentally many a times by the co-students, that is the classmates. One, he even took an extreme step at the age of 10 by trying drown himself in the bath, but that attempt was unsuccessful. In our classes also, some people mock it, ఎగతాళి చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, లేకపోతే భయపెడతా ఉంటారు. And that way, Nick was also bullied or humiliated by some people, but he also uh, uh, at that time he got depression. Even though he got depression, he got without any problem he succeeded in his life. Yeah, but how Nick can do all these things with the left foot? Yes, this is the small foot. You can see the small foot. This is the chicken drumstick, the small foot on his left hip. With that left hip he can balance, he can kick, he can type, he can pick things up. That is the chicken drumstick. He always says, if there is no chicken drumstick, I lost without it. I can lost without it. There may be no life for me without the chicken drumstick. He says those words. You can see here the chicken drumstick in proper way. Okay, you got my point, I think. What about his father? His father's picture. He is a computer programmer and accountant. After seeing Nick, he vomited in the hospital. He went out for to vomit. Taught swimming at 18 months. At the tender age of 18 months, Nick's father taught Nick swimming. Taught typing at 10 years. At 10 years age, he taught father his father taught Nick how to type with his left small foot. Arranged team of carers decision for schooling also. He has taken a dare step of normal schooling. What about his mother? Nick's mother is a female nurse. She was shocked on seeing Nick as Tarso. Couldn't hold him until 4 months. He was distraught. He was anxious. He was anxious on seeing his on seeing her mm, son. She invented a special plastic device for Nick to hold the pen and pencil, etc. and decision for schooling. Here you can see how Nick sat in the normal school on the table on the desk. This is Bethany Hamilton. She belongs to Hawaii. In 2008, Nick met Bethany Hamilton. Nick taught surfing. Nick learned surfing from Bethany Hamilton. Learned 360 degrees spin in 48 hours. Because of that, he got a name in Surfer magazine. Also, because of his low center of gravity, he can do 360 degrees spin on the surfing board. That is about Nick's lesson. Hope you understood the lesson in proper way. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in a Friday's class. Here you have glossary. 6 glossary is there. You have to write this glossary in the Friday's class. Okay, thank you.